a chic boutique where your next look awaits. Hi, I'm Sarah from Team Visit Wagga Wagga. Come with me to shop labels, sustainable threads and accessories at Texas Jane. There may be a slight nod to the US in their name, but rest assured, Texas Jane is as homegrown Australian as they come. You can find leading Australian designers and brands here from Camilla, Ina Pelli, Mossman and Shona Joy, just to name a few. Owners Belle and Eloise and their dedicated staff have created a warm, welcoming space inside their Fitzmaurice Street boutique where women of all ages can develop a fierce confidence in their own style. Weddings, parties, workwear or a stylish casual fit, Texas Jane has an outfit to suit any occasion, season or style. Stunning staples are also what they do best. Not sure where to start? The girls at Texas Jane are experts at helping you find the perfect pieces to elevate your look to the next level. To round out your new look, be sure to browse the great selection of accessories in store, from jewellery, bags, headwear and more. This classy fashion hub is one not to miss when in Wagga Wagga. To discover more great places to shop when you pay our Wagga Wagga and surrounds region a visit, hit the link in our bio or head to visitwagga.com.